In this particular video today, I'm going to be sharing this particular update with you guys so that you can actually use it to make money depending on the time you are seeing this particular video. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to know about it and to make money with it. Okay, so this is actually coin arbitrage opportunity. Okay, remember we have P2P arbitrage opportunity and coin arbitrage opportunity. What you are actually doing is that you are taking advantage of price difference in two exchange to make money. That is actually what we call coin arbitrage. So in this particular video, we are gonna be using Brian/USDT because this is actually where the opportunity is. Okay, so in this particular particular exchange, the coin is sold at 0.00051. okay, meanwhile in the other exchange the coin is actually very high. So and this particular coin you can withdraw with a lower network chain. Okay, so meaning that you can actually make with as low as 50 USDT. You can be making like 3, 4, 5 USDT in a roll. Okay, so and another thing is that you need to learn actually how coin arbitrage work. Okay, you need to understand how it actually works. There are some coin arbitrage that have a hidden fee. You need to be very, very careful with it. You don't do coin arbitrage with every coin you see because there is opportunity in it. Okay, so you only need the one that you have gone through the coin and find out that the coin has you can withdraw through Solana network, you can withdraw through BNB, or you can actually withdraw through other like Polygon, where the withdrawal fee is less charged. Okay, I actually mean where you can withdraw this particular token with less than $1. Okay, 1 USDT. Let's say if you are withdrawing, you are paying 27 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents. Very, very good. So if you withdraw this particular token, you still have like 3 to 4 USDT as a profit. Okay, so that is actually what you need. Okay, so since this particular token is being sold at the minimum of 0.00051, okay, so we're gonna be going to the next exchange where you're gonna be selling it high. Also remember, on daily basis I have Signal group where I post this kind of update, but before you can access it, you need to pay a fee of 30 USDT. Okay, both that particular fee covers you in times of class, okay, in terms of training, because most of you guys, if you have not learned this particular strategy, how to navigate your way in crypto market, you need to learn first. Okay, so when you have learned, you can now be able to make profit from the market. Okay, so what I do first of all is for you to learn. You need to learn. Okay, I teach you my strategy. After I teach you my strategy, then you can now go ahead to start making money. Okay, you don't take trade when you have not actually learned that particular strategy. Okay, we also have some other bots which you can actually use that particular bot to bind the two exchange. Then it is fast in carrying out trades. Okay, it is very, very fast. You can execute trade within a second, because in most cases you can see over here, if you actually take a look at this particular place, this is where the buyers are buying. Okay, this is for buyers. Here right now is for what? For buyers. Okay, if you don't know, let me tell you now. Meanwhile, this particular place is for the sellers. Okay, now if you take a look at all the people selling over this particular place, you will find out that almost all of them, the coin is running fast. I mean, the trade is going very, very fast. You can see that the coin is fast in moving up, in moving down. So if you also will be profitable in coin arbitrage, you will know, you need to understand how that particular software work. Okay, so if you want to learn how the software, you want to make use of the fast software that can actually enable you to carry out this particular trade within some seconds, then you need to join my VIP. So you can send me message on Telegram or WhatsApp, because if you have not learned it, it's really gonna be very hard for you to make a good profit from the market, because the market is fast. If you come across any coin where you can actually make money, you find out that the coin is running very, very fast. That is what you need to learn first. Okay, so right now let's go to the second exchange where we're gonna be selling this particular token for a higher profit. Okay, you can see that the price over here right now is at 0.0005. okay, that's the minimum and maximum you can see here. You can see 0.0049, but let's just say is 0.005 right now. Okay, because you can see over here, you can see the price over here is actually rising. Okay, you can see that. So this is it. This is actually the price over here if you are buying, because we are buying from this place and selling to the other side. So this is 0.005. okay, that's what we'll categorize it. So let's go to the second exchange and see how much we stand to get. Since we are using 50 USDT as a case study, let's buy from this particular place. Let's buy amount of let's buy from one. So for those of you that are using let's say 50 USDT, so I'm focusing on much on 50 USDT. okay, so that you can understand very well. Okay, so over here you can see for us to get buy this particular token from here, okay, from this particular places where we are buying from. So I've clicked here already. Then this is how much we're really gonna, so let me copy. This is actually 102,000. okay, let me copy it right now. So I've actually copied the amount. You can see this is 2,000, which is 102,000 pieces of this token. I bought it with 50 USDT. So let's go to the second exchange where we're really gonna be selling it. Remember, it is best that you execute trade fast. Okay, so you can join us to learn that particular software. So over to this particular place, you can see that the same Brian is sold for 0.00089. okay, so in the other place we bought this particular token for 0.03005. okay, 51. Now you are seeing that this in this particular place right now, the token is actually very high. Okay, the token is actually very high. So this is actually how you make money on daily basis. You need to understand this. Okay, now the fees that are attached to this is actually where your main focus should actually be, not the profit. Okay, in most cases, when you are finalized buying from where it is low and going to where it is high, the real question there is the fee. So if you actually paste the Brian here, you see this is you bought with 50 USDT, you can see the profit is very, very high. Okay, so meaning that the reason why this particular the fee is very, very high is that in most cases the exchange normally lock down their withdrawal fee withdrawals, and but for this particular token you need to pay a minimum of up to 20,000 pieces of this particular token. So let's see how much it actually is, the 20,000. So you can see that this is 20,000 fee. Okay, so if you minus this particular money from 91 USDT, let's see how much is left. So over here, if you minus 91 USDT, you minus your capital, which is around 50.4, you see that you have 40 USDT remaining. Then you minus your fee, which is, let's say 18 USDT. So you see you have 22 USDT. Okay, now that is the fee. Now to withdraw Brian now, this is what you actually do. Once you have come to this particular place, okay, you click Brian. Then the next thing is withdrawal. So over here you can see that you can withdraw Brian. Okay, so let's see the fee. Over here you can see this is the fee. Okay, 0.035 USDT. Okay, but the hidden fee is actually what I'm talking about. So with the hidden fee and this particular fee, you actually be heading around 18 USDT to 19 USDT. There is still very heavy profit for you. Okay, so if you have not understand how this actually work, what you need to do is to join my class first. Actually where we are buying from, we are buying from this particular place, which is this particular place, this exchange. We are buying from here and we are selling to this particular place. Okay, so this is actually for those of you that have not actually understand how we work, make sure you join our class and learn first before you start.